Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unfortunate event. And it's unfortunate because we have this beautiful GT500 that's not so beautiful. Long story short, we're getting renovations done. The construction company somehow, some way, took the cover off this car, and then all the dust, as you can see, it's everywhere. But that's okay. Castro Oasis team to the rescue. I'm going to be walking you through what to do, and we're going to leave this Shelby shining, and it'll be the last time you get to see it like this, I promise. All right guys, the first step where the magic begins is right here at the Oasis wash. We're going to be washing the car, we're going to detar the car, we're going to debug the car, and we're going to clay the car. So that means the paint is going to be contaminant free, it's going to be completely clean, and it's going to give you that high gloss that we're looking for. So don't skip this step. Hey guys, as I told you before, the GT500 was victim of negligence. This poor car was left on a construction area and the paint got really messed up. But not to worry, here at Castro Oasis, we are professionals. You can see the difference of what three-step paint correction does. So this is how the car is going to look throughout. That is just a little sneak preview. We only use Rupes, one of the best, for the best, which is you guys, our customers. Here I am in the process of taping all the plastics. So all the plastics are going to get taped. And that's really important because once you hit that plastic with the buffer, it's going to damage it. So don't do that. Tape. That's the difference between professionals. So don't settle for anything less. Basically, at this point, this is the last time you get to see the GT500 like this. Next time you'll see it, it'll be showroom quality.
This beautiful Shelby Super Snake is ready to hit the streets again. You guys saw how it was covered in dust. The client had it storage for a long time. He's gonna get to drive it again. So now it's ready. We polished it. We did a ceramic pro sport. So it'll be ready and he has a few months to enjoy it before it goes away again. So if you're looking to shine your car, you already know. There is Castro Oasis and then the rest. See you soon.